To replace the arm on your easy out couch, we will first need to remove the cushions from the couch. Pull upwards on the kickboard to unfurl the couch into the bed position.
With it fully deployed, push all cushions flat.
Because of the tight quarters, we've placed the sofa on its side to better highlight the location of the screws. There are several ways you can access them, and doing this is not a requirement to removing them. To remove them, use a T30 Torx bit and a cordless drill. Remove each of the screws. Remove the arm section. Align the new arm section with the previously used screw holes, and then reattach the screws within them. Lower the couch back to the ground. Stow the couch to verify none of the sections are inhibiting one another with the new installation. Return the cushions to the couch.